Now, how can you force iMessage to be used on an iPhone instead of SMS? Let's get started with it. But if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe to it and you're not going to miss anything important. Well, the point is that you can use iMessage between Apple devices exclusively, which means that if you are texting a friend who has an Android phone, for example, or simply doesn't use iMessage, there is not much you can do to have the message to be blue like iMessage, right? So there are obviously some things you can do. You can open up the settings, go to the app section at the bottom, tap on the M, go to messages, and then you'll be able to make sure that the iMessage is first of all turned on, and also that the send and receive is set up properly, that you have your phone number or email selected there. But again, as I say, if it's not going to work, there are more reasons. As I said, the reason might be that the person doesn't have it supported, and also it might be because you don't have access to the internet. So you also need to have or be connected to Wi-Fi or have cellular data. Otherwise, you will not be able to just do that, right? That's kind of how it works. So other than that, there isn't really anything else other than restarting the phone and also getting the latest version of the iOS installed. But yeah, this should most definitely fix it. And if it doesn't work, the reason is most likely that the other person simply doesn't use the iMessage. So let me know what you think about that below. Let me know if we managed to fix it for you. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.